Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through the data mapping feature inside Togile CRM. To commence, click on Configuration. Next, click on Data Mapping. Then, click on Lead Fields. Select your preferred field. Click on the drop-down in the Full Name row under the Deal column to select the appropriate field mapping. Next, click on the drop-down under the Contact column for full name and select the field you want to map. Now, under Last Name, click on the drop-down in the Contact column and select the appropriate mapped field. Finally, click the drop-down under the Company column for full name and select the field you want to map. Once done, click on Save. Now scroll to the phone number field, and from the Deal column drop-down, select the matching field. Next, select the matching field under the Contact column for phone number. Now select the appropriate field under the Company column for phone number. Once done, click on Save. The data mapping is saved. Thank you for watching.